Neglected 00 Railway Layout 2025 Episode 2.
Hello again everybody. In my last video I mentioned a big lump that I had removed, and this is what the big lump was. And it's now gone. And this is episode 2 of the Neglected Layout 2025, and I've actually managed to get 2 locomotives running, 2 trains, and in opposite directions around the track. Let me show you. Well, at least that's something, but what next? Well, for a start, loads of track cleaning, which I'm going to use this. I've got to rebuild this bridge. That's why I cut this piece out, because the cardboard had warped and it was hitting the trains as they went underneath. And then I got this little town to tidy up and clean. And then along here, I want to put dockland with a harbour along here, or where these vehicles are at the moment. And then I've got some scenery stuff to do over here. I want a canal basin in here, and around here there'll be a canal running along here. I don't know what I'm going to do about the Heritage Railway line. Oh, my boat, Norcella, I've got everything done except the masts need to be made a bit thinner, so I'll have to do that. And then along here there's a lot more scenery to work to do. The tram museum there, that's all got to be tidied up. And then I'm going to make a big station along here, but I think that's going to be a little while away, I think. And I've got the sidings here and the engine shed over there. Oh, the engine yard, I should say. And there's my little coal mine there, Spillane. So there is plenty left to do, or plenty to do, left over from my previous efforts. A shame I haven't got a playmate that can come and help me. But my little great-grandson, he lives too far away, 120 miles away. So I suppose I shall have to get on with it by myself. Anyway, thanks for watching this one. I hope you'll come back and you'll see what the progress is as I make it. And never know. If you're ever in the area, give us a bell. Call in. See you. Bye.